Hey everybody, Bill Murphy with Fairway Mortgage, and I'm joined by Monica Keith here in the office, and we've come at you with Realtor Safety Awareness all month long, and right now we just did our own Realtor Safety skit open house. Creepy guy stalker enters the open house. The agent is unaware that he's creepy guy doing all kinds of things. What I want you to pay attention to is what things went wrong, what things went right. Just comment below. It's for your safety and our safety, and make sure you're buddying up there in these open houses. Take a look.
Only 10 more minutes left of this open house. How many views did I get on this video? Only 50?
Hi, how are you? I just saw the open house. Am I late?
There's about 10 minutes left.
Oh yeah. I if you're busy on your phone, I can certainly I can go tour myself. I saw the virtual post that you did.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, you can. What's your name?
Doug.
Doug.
Yes.
I'm Sally.
Hi, Sally.
Yes.
I know. I saw your profile.
Oh.
Yes.
On Facebook?
Yeah. Oh yeah, and I saw you on Facebook. You were on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram too. I saw some of the Instagram posts.
Oh, I think I saw you followed me.
Yeah.
Okay.
You didn't accept my following.
No, I didn't.
No, all right. Well, that's okay. I mean, I'm really interested in this house. I'm gonna just take a quick look. And oh yeah, with all that social media stuff, sorry to hear about your you and your boyfriend breaking up. But let me just take a quick peek, okay?
Okay,
right.
Doug. Doug, what do you think of the house?
Oh, I love it. I'm in the master bedroom. This is really a nice spot. I think, a lot of magic can happen in here.
Oh, good.
Yes.
All right, I gotta find this guy Doug here. Doug. Oh my goodness. Doug, are you almost done? I'm about to lock up.
Yes, I'm coming down. I really think that I do want to make an offer. You're locking up. You want me to help you lock up right now?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
You do. Okay,
Yeah.
and then we'll put in an offer.
Do you have an agent?
You know what? I'd rather use you. Can I use you?
Sure.
I have a pre-approval.
From?
One of those internet banks.
You don't have it from Fairway Mortgage?
No. They're local. I heard good things, but I just wanted. I got my pre-approval in like 26 seconds. So
really?
Yeah. I didn't even. I could have lied. I could have, but I'll get one from Fairway if you'd like.
Yeah, that'd be. Yeah, I know some great loan officers at Fairway.
Okay, I'll do that. But you know what? Why don't we? I'm kind of hungry. I like a drink. Maybe we just go to the bar and we'll write up an offer and we'll put it in. What do you think?
I got a lot of work I gotta do.
Come on, we can write up that offer. Oh! Hey everybody, so that was our little skit there, Monica, or Sally, should I say? So a few things that I found that we can certainly be aware of is, being in your phone the whole time. You were and we've seen it. We've seen folks on their phone. You got to be aware. You got to know your surroundings. You got to know your exits. You got to know how to get out of a situation.
Mm-hmm.
How else? It seemed like you didn't protect yourself in a couple different ways until you gave out the knockout punch at the end.
Yeah. I shouldn't have let you roam around the house.
Yeah.
I should have followed you.
Yeah.
Around the house. Also, I shouldn't have let you help me lock up. I should have let you know that another
Where was your
colleague.
buddy? Where was your buddy?
I didn't have a buddy with me at the open house.
A vacant house?
I didn't invite them, and I shared it all over my social media, and Creepy Doug found me and came to my open house.
Creepy Doug knew about your boyfriend.
He knew about my boyfriend trying to ask me out for a drink, so definitely have a buddy, especially if you are sharing it on social media, which you should be sharing it on social media, but make sure you're protected. Especially if you're doing that.
So you handled yourself very nicely there at the end when Creepy Doug was making his moves on you.
Yeah.
Elbow, hammer fist, and knee to the groin or the midsection is pretty effective, and then you got out of there. Where did you learn that?
from America's Best Defense. It's taking some self-defense classes there.
That's very important, especially, you know, in any line of work, in any business, anything you're doing. I mean, just in life, I mean, you hear the stories all the time. You should know how to protect yourself. I mean, I'm not saying you go get a black belt, but certainly just know how to protect yourself a little bit, enough to be dangerous and get rid of creepy guys like Doug.
Yes.
So that's your Realtor Safety Awareness tip of the month today, and certainly be tuning in. Next week we have some more stuff we'll cover.
Last week of the month, for safety awareness.
Yep.